Hello. In this tutorial, we will see how to transform a shoe into a detailed and optimized 3D model like this one, using photogrammetry with our new object capture. Our goal is to provide you with a clear and professional workflow for creating a 3D model in GLB or USDZ format, ideal for augmented reality, Blender, 3ds Max, or other modeling software. Let's get started.
To achieve an efficient workflow and optimal results, it's crucial to have the right tools. Here's what you'll need. Lights, to eliminate shadows and reflections. Folio 360, a motorized turntable controllable via app. A subject, in this case, a shoe. Smartphone with at least 12 megapixels. Tripod. My AR Studio's object capture software, which allows you to turn a sequence of images into a detailed mesh. Place the shoe at the center of the turntable. This is crucial for ensuring uniform rotation and reducing potential errors during the mesh processing phase. The surface of the shoe should be matte to prevent unwanted reflections that could interfere with texture capture. Work in a space with neutral colored walls. For optimal control, turn off any other light sources in the room. Place the main light in front of the shoe, slightly angled from above. This light should be the most intense and is responsible for defining the main details of the object. Place two side lights at around 80 degrees per 90 degrees relative to the key light. These lights balance the shadows created by the main light and ensure that all details are visible. In this workflow, we will take all the photos using the Folio 360 mobile application by Orange Monkey. To achieve the best results, follow the configuration steps below within the app. Make sure to connect the Folio 360 app to the turntable via Bluetooth. Select the large resolution 3024 by 3024 to ensure high-quality images. Set the number of shots to 36. Additionally, keep the turntable rotation speed at 1. This combination allows the photos to overlap optimally, making the object capture process easier and ensuring an accurate capture of all points of interest. If needed, enable the grid to better center your subject and achieve more precise compositions. To capture additional details, the app also offers a single-shot mode. Make sure to take photos within the app to maintain the same resolution as the previous sequences. The goal is to photograph the subject from every possible angle. To do this, we will take 4 series of shots by changing the smartphone's position and then rotating the subject. First rotation, place the shoe on the turntable and position the tripod with the smartphone facing forward, ensuring the shoe is centered in the frame. Capture 36 photos as the turntable completes one full rotation. Second rotation, raise the smartphone by about 20 centimeters and tilt it until the shoe is centered in the frame again. This step allows you to capture a more top-down view. Repeat the process with another set of 36 photos. Third rotation, return the tripod and smartphone to the original position from the first step. This time, rotate the subject 90 degrees to one side and capture another sequence of 36 photos. Fourth rotation, keep the smartphone in the same position and rotate the subject another 90 degrees to the opposite side. Capture the final set of 36 photos. To further improve the quality of the model, capture key details. Tilt the shoe to illuminate and photograph the interior. For stitching, laces, and other small details, take close-up shots from different angles. For a high-quality mesh and realistic textures, take at least 140 to 160 photos. Once the photographs have been taken, it's time to import them into My AR Studio for 3D model creation. Start by opening the image gallery and selecting both the sequences and single shots related to the shoe. Then, transfer them from your device to your computer using your preferred method, AirDrop, email, or other options. Extract the contents of the folder, rename the photo sequences, remove any unnecessary files, and organize them all into a single directory. This step is crucial, as keeping the photos in sequential order will significantly improve the processing efficiency. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. Bum bum bum. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. Now, you're ready to upload the images to the platform.
Launch My AR Studio and go to the Object Capture section. To create a new project, click on the plus button or on Create Object Capture and give your project a name. Set its level of detail. Next, import the images by selecting multiple files or by dragging the entire folder directly. Once the images are loaded, click the Capture Object button to start processing. Object Capture will automatically align the images and generate the 3D geometry of the model. Once the generation is complete, your model will be available in the Product section. Here you can view it using our viewer, including the augmented reality mode. You will also have the option to download the model in USDZ and GLB formats, or share it using the various available links. My AR Studio also takes care of optimizing it by reducing the file size without compromising visual quality. The generated model will be lightweight and perfectly optimized for use in AR and on web platforms.
And that's it. We have transformed a simple shoe into a 3D model ready to be uploaded to My AR Studio and distributed in your AR applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to our channel for more content on 3D and augmented reality. Also, let us know in the comments which project you'd like us to cover in the next video. Thanks for following My AR Studio.